Maintenance cost efficiency is more than just a number on a spreadsheet. It is a structural driver of both asset value and enterprise risk. When maintenance costs rise faster than the value of your assets, hidden financial and operational risks accumulate. That is why organizations must pay close attention to how maintenance spending aligns with asset value, using replacement asset value as a common benchmark. Comparing maintenance cost as a percentage of replacement asset value reveals your true position in the market. This is not simply about managing budgets. It is about understanding how your performance stacks up against peers. Your quartile position shows whether your costs are compounding risk or reinforcing long-term value. Performance is best viewed through 3 aligned lenses: total maintenance cost, labor efficiency, and storeroom discipline. By normalizing each metric to replacement asset value, organizations ensure they are not optimizing one area at the expense of another. This holistic view drives balanced improvement. The goal is not indiscriminate cost-cutting. Instead, a staged multi-year improvement program focuses on operating model discipline, how work is planned, executed, and governed. The first objective is stability, followed by sustained improvement. Improvement is gradual. At 18 months, performance stabilizes. By 3 years, organizations move up quartiles. After 5 years, cost discipline becomes a structural advantage embedded in daily operations. Each year's progress builds on the last. The real value comes not just from annual savings, but from sustaining those gains over time. Progress is tracked through replacement asset value normalized key performance indicators, phased milestones, and transparent reporting. This disciplined approach ensures control, accountability, and lasting value for the organization.